Today we have Wobblex! Yay! I really wanted this so much. Wait, go. I'm touching it.
That is the coolest thing ever.
I love it.
Aww.
I love it. I love me some Bubble X's.
Your Wobble is escaping. Get it, get it, get it.
I love it so much. I want to cover it with the camera. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. It's following me.
That is so awesome. Oh my god, look at it. It's totally following you.
And we finally got it from our company. Whoa, we got 3. That's so cool.
That's right, NSI sent us 3 of them. How cool is that?
Yeah. Thank you, NSI, for sending us the Wobblex.
It uses helium and it floats in the air.
Yeah. I'm in a Wobblex. Help me. I'm knocking because I'm inside. I'm trying to get out. It's so tiny.
It's so super tiny. Alright, you got it? Oh, you didn't open it. And comes with stickers.
It is so tiny.
And we're gonna take a little bit of the jelly.
Yeah.
You need to. And we're gonna put it on this. There we go.
And I like the big bubble wobble.
Yeah. And now we're gonna try to put it in until it comes out of the valve. And we don't want to push too much because then it might make a hole.
And then we'll have to put the thing in.
Okay. So,
See? I think these are
hold this, Kyla. Like that. We also have to take this safety tap off. And now we put it in. Oh, my hands are so slippery from the...
I should mention that the Wubble Bubble was actually my favorite toy to play with for a little while. Until it wouldn't hold air anymore. Whoop.
Here it goes. And the way you can tell when it's full is it's kind of supposed to float off the straw. So we'll see. Oh, what is does that mean it's done?
That looks done to me. Is it floating yet? Yeah, don't do it anymore.
Yep.
There you go.
Take it off.
It's not even floating. Whoa.
I'm afraid it's gonna pop. I think it's done, right? There we go. Oh.
This is a bad toy for outside.
Oh, it is because it would definitely go up in the sky.
Yeah.
All right, should we get it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if I can. I don't even think I can reach it. I'm gonna have to pick you up. You ready?
I got it.
You got it? Okay, don't fall.
Got it.
Is there any way to release maybe some?
That's a good question.
Let's see.
Yep.
Let me see. Hold on. Is it gonna go up?
So, let's get back to playing.
Let's do it.
No.
Uh-oh, it's following you. It's following you. You got it. Throw it to me. Whoop. And there it goes. The magical ball. Come back. It's magic. Make it go up. Make it go up. Your fingers go too. Abracadabra.
No strings. Look at that.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm making purple hair, and now I'm gonna show you how you can do the most coolest trick ever with this little X Wubble Bubble.
That is so cool.
It's like spinning. It's coming up to my face. Whoa! How does that even come up to my face? I love my Wubble Bubble so much that I wanna play with it. This just gone way too far. I love it now, but now this is the only time I'm gonna play. But now that it's flows, I'm gonna wipe it forever. Let's stick it to my hair. Magic's gonna happen. It's following me.
That is so awesome. Oh my God, look at it. It's totally following you.
Ah!
Where is it? What?
Too high. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Playtime Toy Maxim. We hope you like this video. Click like, share, and subscribe to our video. Bye, toodles. Whoa. I can see
That video was awesome! Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun, and also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.